Good morning. No idea what day it is, but we are geared up. We are in the snow again. Hopefully it will not last. We got Six and Spark Plug with us, and we're trying to find the trail, and we're going to go 20 miles almost today. So we'll keep you up to date as we walk up the trail today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in a little bit. Oh, snow on the table already. Nice. There it is. A little accumulation. Hopefully we'll have no dangerous stream crossings today. We're out in the snow and the rocks again today. It's not too cold, that's a good thing. Wind's blowing a little bit, but not badly. Our rain jackets will repel the wind. Not raining at the moment, or snowing or sleeting, but it could at any moment. And we're just kind of going right up along the trail here. I think we're still trying to climb up to the ridge line. And once we do, we'll be up there for a little while. Beautiful day today. Although yesterday we didn't have any snow on our actual path. I guess it got cold enough last night and blew snow enough last night that some of the rocks are a little slippery this morning. But, whoops. We're having a fun time. We've enjoyed hiking with Sticks and Spark Plug. I don't know whether the motion sensing thing of the phone figured that out, but I about got stuck right there. My pole stuck in a rock in a crack and threw me off balance a bit. Well, we're still going through the snow. We had about probably a mile or two worth of rocks that were tough. They were snow covered and slippery, but we've made it through, and hopefully that's enough of the rocks for the day. We've still got snow, but it's not bad. It's not actually snowing at the moment. It's not really all that cold. I did remember my gloves today, so that's a good thing. That was actually a gear change we made. We've got these now. They're mittens, and they're fingerless gloves underneath, and that's kind of cool. So the mitten part helps your fingers buddy together and keep each other warm. They're better than gloves. And I can peel back the mitten and get my phone out and operate my phone with my fingers. So they work really well, and they're a lot warmer than what we started with, so we're pretty pleased with them. I would have had no idea we would need them this far up in the trail, nor would I have had any inclination that we'd be dealing with snow either. But it is what it is. I'm betting this will be our last day of really cold weather. We're hoping for that anyway. And still eager for that day when we're comfortable sending home some winter gear and getting some lighter stuff in our packs. We've come to a road crossing. All kinds of snacking. We're checking mileage. And then we're going to walk. Mountain Lake Wilderness, it says on the sign over there. Our trail goes right up through here. You can see it clearly in the snow. And we're doing well today. We're 5 miles in-ish, right at 2 hours, which was the pace we had planned on, which honestly, over some of the rocks that we've been over, was fairly remarkable. So, doing well this morning. Sticks is coming. Oh, no, here he comes. Here he is. He snuck in on us and I didn't hear him. So, that's where we came from. But we're still plowing up through the snow. The last couple of miles have been flat and essentially rock-free, so we've made up a little bit of time. And it's been a good day of hiking today. As I've said earlier, I truly was not expecting to see any more snow after a week or two back when we came off of Road High Knob. But surprise, here it is. But we're also hopeful that by tomorrow this stuff will be gone, and we'll have progressively warmer weather from there. I say that up here in this area they always get a second little blast of winter, and I think this is it. And then spring will pop through, because we've already started seeing some wildflowers. I saw May apples for the first time the other day, and several other things that are some new growth wildflowers that are kind of cool. To take some pictures and look up the names of them, because I'll see them again at the trail. But we're doing well today. We're having fun. Just kind of chilling and moving our way forward, keeping an eye on the clock so that we can meet our ride at the appropriate time. We'll keep you posted as we go up the trail. Well, we've come to a trail crossing. Appalachian Trail going north goes that way. Hello, Warspur Shelter, 2 miles. And we're all back together. It's sleeting or snowing or something again, but it's all gonna be good. We're having fun. It's doing something. It's coming from up there. Oh, but it's been a good day so far. We've got some mountain laurels covered in snow over here. I don't know when these things are gonna bloom, because when we were out before, we had already had rhododendron and mountain laurel blooms, and they are gorgeous when they pop. But we're not there yet. Yep. All right, coming in on a shelter. We're not staying. I had planned to eat lunch here, but we've already ate. So this is Warspur Shelter. Kind of similar to the last one we stayed in at Jenny Knob.
Let's see if they got beer.
Oh, I remember this shelter too.
I do. I camped right there.
Yeah, I remember
Right
staying
there.
here.
I can't remember.
Yeah, this is cool. Nice area, lots of tent space. There's lots of signage here that I don't remember being here before. State Road 42 is 8.2 miles, which is where we're headed. And that's kind of cool. So we're in good shape here.
You're not going to use the privy?
I'm not going to use.
All right, so we're coming up to the mountain stream today. Oh, there's a bridge. There's a bridge. Sparkplug was worried about getting her feet wet, and we have a bridge, so it's all good. And she was just reminding me of something else that's going to be coming up later on today, but I'm not going to tell you yet because I want it to be a surprise. But it's really cool. It's really cool. But right now, this mountain stream is cool. And the bridge. Oh, and when we were here before, there were Gatorades right there in the water. Somebody had left us Cokes and Gatorades in the water right there. It was awesome because it was so hot. Not like that today, but thankfully we've come down in elevation, I guess. And we're at least at the moment out of the snow, but I bet we'll be hiking back up into it later in the day. We're kind of almost at the bottom of a downhill, and then we've got an uphill, and then we got to flatten it down, and we'll be there. I think we're on pace to finish when we said we would, or plus or minus 10 or 15 minutes. We'll keep it up. The only worry is how quickly can we go up the hill. But we've got 8 miles or 9 left, and we're in good shape. We just crossed a little creek that I forgot to video, but we're into this, and the question is, what happened here? I mean, Sparkplug said blow down graveyard, and it sure is. It's crazy. Tons of trees down right here. Well, and there's still some dead ones too. I don't know whether they had a blight and a bad storm or what. But something we've not seen before, so thought I'd share. Well, here's a rarity. I'm filming uphill. We're at our last half mile of up here on this last little bit of the day. We have about 3 or 4 miles left to go at the top of this. But it'll be flat and then down. But we're on this little semi-dirt road thing, even though it's close to traffic. And I think there must be a view at the top because we saw 2 or 3 section hikers, or day hikers rather. So we'll see what we see in a few minutes. All right, so we've made it to the top of this little up. We're taking a breather, well deserved. We have 5 miles left, and I think we're doing in good shape, all things considered. There's another trail going this way. This is the Johns Creek Trail. We're not taking it. We're going to stay on the White Blaze Trail over here. There's a blaze on that tree right there, as a matter of fact. So 5 miles on upward, and we'll meet our ride, and we'll see y'all along the way. All right, so sometimes the trail is like this. This is in places. Sorry, I didn't mean to jerk you around. This is in places just ankle deep mud crawl right here. Trying to not step and sink or slip and fall.
Because you can't jump from one to the next.
If you guys want to walk through, I don't think I'm
Oh
No, you're fine.
My shoes are not waterproof, so
Yeah.
I am quite literally following in your footsteps.
Yeah, we're taking poll of who has waterproof shoes, and right now, mine used to be, but they're
I think I'm doing
700, nearly 700 miles old.
I'm doing impressive.
They are not anymore.
Good.
So, yep, sometimes it's like this.
Oh! I always step on the wrong one.
Yeah, so
Mud
don't
is like
step
my
on
least
that
favorite
one.
thing out here. I'm gonna be honest.
Huh?
Mud is like my least favorite thing.
Yeah. Mine is cold mornings.
Cold mornings, cold
Yeah, I have a slight advantage because my shoes at least used to be waterproof, but
Oh, shut up. He's just walking right
he's got
through
the,
middle
yeah.
of it.
Yeah, Six
nothing.
is sporting
Six is
the
wearing
waterproof boots
Yeah.
here. So he's just plowing through, wondering what we're sitting here standing around for.
Huh? No. No, Six is quite literally just walking right through the middle of it. Because he's got the waterproof boots on.
Alrighty, so you're not seeing this on anybody else's channel, that's for sure. Alright, we made it through the mud. Woohoo! Team success. Nobody fell yet. Alright, so after yesterday's botched creek crossing with wet shoes. Alright, show us how it's doing.
I don't know.
Yeah. She tossed her shoes yesterday. She said, here, catch. And nobody had time enough to prepare because she was losing her balance. She tossed them and boom, splash. But this is a neat little creek right here. We'll show you. Oh no, she almost went down and I wasn't even looking. But nice little area right here. We're about, I don't know, 2.5 miles from being done. And we're punchy, we're tired, but we're gonna finish strong.
Don't step on that thing.
Yeah.
Oh, which thing?
Just say step on the top of it.
Oh yeah,
He's
gonna just zip right along. Yep, all the way, there we go. And we have made it. Well, we got a field full of, or a forest floor full of running cedar right here. We're in the last mile of our hike today. And the sun's finally trying to come out. It has spit sleet on us probably at least once every hour that we've been out today. But it's been a good hiking day. Nothing too tough, although that couple of miles of rocks this morning was a little dicey, but we made it through. And we kept a positive attitude and we've laughed a lot today. We haven't cried any, so we'll call that a good day. We are so thankful to our friend Pringles for picking us up today. We'll have to figure out rides tomorrow because Homegrown and Cooper will be coming back to the same place tomorrow, and that's more folks than will fit in her vehicle. So we'll sort that out over supper tonight and figure it out. But we'll be back tomorrow with backpacks on, real backpacks instead of day packs, and we'll be working our way toward Daleville, Virginia. That's our next city. And along the way, we'll start the Triple Crown. So that'll be a load of fun. Virginia Triple Crown is Dragon's Tooth, McAfee Knob, and Tinker Cliffs. And I've always thought they ought to insert a little bit south of Dragon's Tooth. I've always thought they ought to put the Audie Murphy Monument in that because it's such a pretty monument to the most decorated U.S. veteran in our history. He was a World War II soldier. If you've not ever seen the movie, The Audie Murphy Story, watch it between now and the next few days. And that way you'll know all about Audie Murphy when we get to the monument that marks the place where he passed away in a plane crash many years ago. Sparkplug was just saying this is kind of a nice way to end our day. And it is. We're out in the sunshine now. We're in this nice pasture area. Some beautiful houses over here. And less than a mile to go. hopefully when we get up to the top of this mist, we'll be able to look down and see the road crossing. And that way, if we are a couple of minutes late, and I don't think we will be, but if we are, Pringles can see us coming and know that she won't have to wait long. Well, over there's our cows. It's kind of interesting, and you can't see it so much in this video maybe, but there are paths mowed through the pasture, through this yellow stuff that's growing up. You can sort of see it right here. And as you look down over several fields, you can see there's patterns, and I've wondered, I don't know why that's the case. So I'd be kind of curious if any of you are farmers and know why they've done all these crisscrosses here. The only thing I can figure is maybe they're trying to encourage the cows to walk those paths, and they move them from time to time so the cows don't trample down one area all the time. But that's just my best guess. I'm not a farmer. Well, pretty barn right here on the trail. We're finishing up our walk in the pasture. One of these white cars over here is Pringles. I'm guessing it's the one that's parked. And we are within like 2 minutes of being dead on the time we told her we'd be here. So well done today, guys. I'm not sprinting anywhere. Gavin says if we sprint, we can make it. Yeah, she can see us. I'm not sprinting. Gavin's gonna sprint. Bless his heart. Don't break your neck.